the one important thing actually, we are proud to say the first chief of Indian Army after India become independence of Great Britain is from Kodagu, Field Marshal Karyappa. You must definitely clap. So this is really great achievement, I can say. I have visited Shimla, I have visited Chandigarh. So if you go to Chandigarh, the army, there is a museum, there is a big museum. So I really wonder, there was a lot of articles, there were a lot of photo, how we fought, how we has built the team. It was very interesting actually story about the field Karyappa. Now we welcome Bhavya Shetty representing Coorg again. Thank you. ವಂದನೆಗಳು ಭವ್ಯ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ. Next. Next. So what you can see here, anything different? Kantara. Wow, that's a superb. So we are going to present Dakshina Karnataka. Okay, Dakshina Kannada. Okay, Dakshina Kannada, popularly known as Tulu Nadu, along with the southern region of coastal Karnataka, includes beautiful cities like Mangalore and then Udupi and Kundapur. These are the beautiful places. If you are not visited, definitely you must visit. Okay, this is not only famous for Manjunatha, Dharmasthala Manjunatha or Udupi Sri Krishna. This is also famous for the beautiful beaches. Okay, the coastal. If you wanted to definitely try the coastal food, you must visit Mangalore. This is a beautiful place, and it is most religiously diverse with multiple languages like Tulu, Kannada, Konkani, and Bayari. They are speaking there. The region is known as the Cradle of Indian banking. So you can see the picture. I just see each picture symbolizes many things. If you see, this is, you can recognize definitely Parshuram. Parshuram is the sixth avatar of Vishnu who created this Mangalore. That's what people believe. And this is sixth avatar of Vishnu. And then Kantara. Kantara is actually the famous movie, definitely like everyone know. So this movie is shooted in the Dakshina Kannada based on the Panjurli Daiva, okay, from Dakshina Kannada. And really, I would like to call Achala and Saisha actually. Please come and represent the Mangalore, please.
ಗುಣವಿದೆ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಲಿ ಸೊಬಗಿದೆ ಈ ನಾಡಲಿ ಪರಶುರಾಮನ ಕೃಪೆಯಲಿ ಕಡಲ ಜನರ ನಗುವಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳು ನಾಡು, ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳು ನಾಡು, ಎಂಕಲ್ಲ ತುಳು ನಾಡು, ಮೊಗೆಲ ತುಳು ನಾಡು.
Thank you, Achala. Thank you, Achala. And Saisha, thank you. Superb. நானொரு தமிழியன் வணக்கம். நான் ஒரு தடவை சொன்னா 100 தடவை சொன்ன மாதிரி. So it means if I say it once, it's equivalent to having said 100 times. So this is the famous dialogue from Rajnikant. Definitely everyone knows Rajnikant. And the Tamil Nadu gave birth to the classical dance, classical music and Bharatanatyam dance. We call it as a temple city. You really surprised to see the number of temple. It is 38,000. 38,000 temples are there in Tamil Nadu. Okay, including Madurai Meenakshi and then Arunachalam, we call it as a Tiruvannamalai. So there is a speciality of Tiruvannamalai. We must say actually. So there are 9 to 10 linga where Chandralinga, Suryalinga, Yamalinga, Agnilinga, Kuberalinga. There are so many linga. So people say in the ancient time, even actually Chandra यहाँ से उतर के आके उसका लिंगा को बनाया. So उसके लिए वो बोलते हैं चंद्रलिंगा. सूर्य आके लिंग को बनाया तो उसको बोलते हैं सूर्यलिंगा. So कुबेर आके सब लोग आके actually उसका respect दिया. तो आप देख सकते हैं वहाँ पे actually and definitely like there is a 16 kilometer प्रदक्षिणा करना है वहाँ पे. So वहाँ पे you can visit minimum hundreds of temple. So this is the beauty of Tamil Nadu and Madurai Meenakshi temple I already told. Variety of food definitely. So you must have tasted dosa, idli, chutney and then chettinad curries and variety of food. And then Pongal is the biggest festival, Tamil New Year, showcasing the vibrant culture. So famous actor and classical dancer Hema Malini, you must be aware she is a classical dancer. She is from Tanjavur and now she is with the Dharmendra. So I must say one more thing, like I was just studying when Kho-Kho Kabaddi happened, I was just what Kho-Kho, where Kabaddi has originated. It is a very interesting factor. The Kabaddi has originated from Tamil Nadu, where there was a Jallikattu. They used to celebrate Jallikattu. So from there actually the Kabaddi has evolved. So really I must welcome Saraswati, Guna, Charan and Gagan. The energy is more. Now you people have to give more energy. Already they have energy. So claps, please. Thank you. Come.
हुकुम टाइगर का हुकुम. तंबी अर्थमैंदा राजा हुकुम टाइगर का हुकुम.
Thank you, Saraswati, Guna, Charan and Gagan. I think Guna, every day you are charging everyone actually. Like while you playing tennis, we charge. हम कार में जाते रहते हैं, but फिर भी charge होते हैं हम लोग. Okay, so this was fantastic. And hello. Yeah, Tamil language is very old language, which is more than 2,000 years. Kurinji flowers that blooms every 12 years in Kodaikanal, in the mountain. Kanchipuram silk is famous. And the season of the Western Ghats in Tamil Nadu is known as the Nilgiri Malai, that is called Ooty. One must definitely visit Ooty. So let's welcome most energetic woman of Urbana, Nedra, representing Tamil Nadu.
Dragon demo, Google in the stun gun demo, Rambagal Hacker ring
Thank you. Thank you, Nedraji. So we call Kerala as a God's own country. Audible? God's own country. There are beautiful places like Wayanadu, Alapi, Kochi, Calicut, and so on. Some of the famous festivals are Onam and Atukolu Pongal, Christmas, and many more. There are a lot of festivals will be celebrated, Christmas and everything. So you can see like this is famous for the coastal foods, and again they call actually Meenu curry, and then Puttu Kadala. These are the famous one, and famous like the famous temples are like Guruvayur, Anantaram Temple, Ananta Padmanabha Temple, and Chetti Kuruvangala. And the state has a rich cultural heritage with traditional dance from the music. Let's welcome Kuchipudi also. Let's welcome Bini and daughter Ansika, who is going to represent Kerala.
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട്
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണപ്പാട്ട്
മാവിൻ കൊമ്പേറുന്നൊരു പൂവാലിക്കുയിലേ മാവേലി തമ്പ്രാന്റെ വരവായാ ചൊല്ല് തിരുവാവണിരാവ്
മനസാകെ നിലാവ്
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട്
Thank you. Now we are going to celebrate. We are going to represent. Hello, can you hear? So now we are going to talk about Telangana and Andhra. Everyone knows it's very nearby. Only one thing I would like to tell. Actually, Hyderabad is considered as the main pearl trading center in India, and this is also called as the city of pearls. The famous dishes are Hussain Sagar. I mean, Hyderabad biryani and Rayalaseema foods. These are the best foods. And we would like to call Lata, Lakshmi, and Sadhana representing AP and Telangana.
వచ్చిందే మెల్ల మెల్లగా వచ్చిందే క్రీమ్ బిస్కెట్ వేసిందే కమ్మున కూసోని యాడే కుదురుగా నిల్సోని యాడే సన్న సన్నగా నవ్విందే కుడికే గాయం చేసిందే ముద్ద నోటికి పోకుండా మస్తు డిస్కో చేసిందే
నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే
Wait. Thank you. थोड़ा सा आवाज. So, Moria. Moria is the Marathi word. It defined from Marathi word. People wanted to give respect to Lord Ganesha. Moria is also called the great king or the great leader. People wanted to express express to Ganapati. And with the land of great kings and great freedom fighters born there. If you remember, like if you know, everyone know actually Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was the king, and who started Ganapati festival actually, and there used to be 10 to 15 days celebration, and then Loka Manya Gangadhar Tilak. So he also started just to unite everyone and to fight against the British. And the form of cultural capital of Pune to bustling street of Mumbai. So you can see all the beautiness. The smell of vada pav and misal pav and the taste of sugarcane juice also divine. From the ancient Ajanta to Yellowara caves And there is a interesting poem given by Shraddha. O Maharashtra, land of culture and history, you continue to inspire and hold our curiosity. May our glory shine for our bright, and your people continue to spread love and light. So let's welcome Shraddha, Rakesh, and then Radha. Nahi hai kya?
साजने कुण्य गावाची कुण्य नावाची कुण्य राज्याची तू ग राणी ग आली ठुमकत नार लचकत आली ठुमकत नार लचकत मान मुरडत हिरव्या राणी आली ठुमकत नार लचकत मान मुरडत हिरव्या राणी आली ठुम 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 ठुमकत नार लचक लचक लचकत आली ठुमकत नार लचकत मान मुरडत हिरव्या राणी
और भी 10 है पता नहीं और एक घंटा चलेगा
महाराष्ट्र माझा गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा
वो गोवा क्या कहना है एक्चुअली। गोवा एक ऐसी खूबसूरत जगह है, हम जाने से पहले ही वास्को डी गामा पहुंच गए एक्चुअली। सो गोवा इज अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस। ये पोर्चुगीज एक्सप्लोरर वास्को डी गामा रीच्ड गोवा इन September 1954. Goa is also known as tourist paradise, mainly known for its beaches. Goa can be the perfect destination for short holidays. There are a lot of beautiful beaches. And then you can say the Goa fish curry is loaded with various spices along with the coconut, ras omelette, Goan sausages, poi are the rest and the common food across Goa. Let's welcome Karthik, who is representing Goa.
दिल ये फिसला 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 तेरे गोरे बदन पे फिसला तेरे गुलाबी होंठों को देख मैं तो पिघला 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 तुझको ले जाऊंगा मैं खींच के गोवा वाले बीच पे रानी आंखें मीच के ठंडी ठंडी बियर पियेंगे दोनों फोटो खींच के गोवा वाले बीच पे रानी आंखें मीच के ठंडी ठंडी बियर पियेंगे दोनों फोटो खींच के खींच के खींच के खींच के आंखें मीच के आंखें मीच के आंखें मीच के हाय हाय खींच के खींच के खींच के आंखें मीच के आंखें मीच के आंखें मीच के हाय हाय आय मटक 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 चलती है
Hello. Thank you, Karthik. Next. Next slide, please. Okay. गुजरात का बहुत लोग हैं यहाँ पे, मुझे मालूम है। गुजरात stands for Art of India. Okay, the one of the best you can see the Statue of Unity, the world tallest statue. It is 182 meter actually. So this is one of the tallest statue in the memory of constructed in the memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Akshardhama in Gandhinagar is also very famous, which is having a large Hindu temple complex. And then Gujarat has the longest seashore compared to any other Indian state. And Gujarat में तो गुजरात थाली बहुत अच्छा है, ढोकला, चिक्की, कड़ी, etc. ज्या ज्या वसे गुजराती, त्या त्या वसे गुजरात. इसका मतलब है wherever you in the world, wherever in the world Gujarati live, there exists a Gujarat. Let's welcome Jyoti Rajeshwari Charvi representing Gujarat.
ढोलीडा ढोल रे वगाड़ मारे हीच ले विसे ढोलीडा ढोल रे वगाड़ मारे हीच ले विसे ए हीच ले विसे ने मारे घर में घमूसे ए हीच ले विसे ने मारे घर में घमूसे ढोलीडा ढोल रे वगाड़ मारे हीच ले विसे ढोलीडा ढोल रे वगाड़ मारे हीच ले विसे
बेथलपुरमा सुन ले ओ छोरिया झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी कमरिया बेथलपुरमा सुन ले ओ छोरिया झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी कमरिया
थैंक यू। कोई चालाकी करने की कोशिश मत करना, पुलिस ने तुम्हें चारों तरफ से घेर लिया है। अपने आदमियों से कहो बंदूकें फेंक दे। यस दोस्तों, मैं उस जमाने का बात कर रहा हूँ। ये 1960s, 1970s, 1980s में बॉलीवुड में डायलॉग हुआ रहता था एक्चुअली। We are here to represent the fashion from retro era. The era in India is generally considered to be the 1960s, 1970s, 1980s. This era was a time of great social change and the cultural change in India. So, as the country emerged from colonialism to begin to the modernize, popular music of the era included mix of Western and Indian influences, rock, pop, and disco. So, fashion, saris, salwar kameez, bell bottoms, platform shows, disco dresses. Let's welcome our Nitin bhai and Shraddha.
गाना सुनने का नया तरीका सारे
आपका ये-
गामा कारवा गो
मैं बोलोगे शी इज कमिंग विद हर पेंट, मींस शी पेंटेड हरसेल्फ। तो आपने बनाया ना?
ये
मेरा
चांद
नंबर
का
है।
रोशन
मेरा
चेहरा
favorite song।
जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये झील सी नीली आंखें
play again
कोई
ना।
राज है इनमें गहरा
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये झीली सी नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया
थैंक यू। अरे नितिन भाई आपको आना पड़ेगा, वंस मोर बोल रहा है। दिस वाज अल्टीमेट आई थिंक। सी वंस मोर प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज। श्रद्धा वी रिक्वेस्ट वंस मोर।
पुराने गाने सुनने का नया तरीका सारे गामा कारवा गो
ये चांद का
Hey,
रोशन
मेरा
चेहरा
favorite song।
जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये झील सी नीली आंखें
play again
कोई
ना।
राज है इनमें गहरा
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये झीली सी नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया
परफॉर्मेंस था जबरदस्त. Next. So, Odisha. So the state located in eastern coast of India. So request everyone to pay the attention here. Thank you. I know you are enjoying. Aman bhai, thoda sa. Aman bhai, thoda sa. Idhar. Okay. So this state located in eastern coast of India. This is the land of ancient Kalinga. Kalinga is, everyone know, the Samrat Ashoka. Because of him, actually, the Buddhism has grown. And majestic mountains, serene beaches, spectacular life, spectacular wildlife, unique arts and crafts, breathtaking waterfalls from Odisha. Odisha Khichdi is one of the most important dishes being offered as the main bhog to Lord Jagannath at the Puri temple. Puri Jagannath Vishnu temple is one of the Char Dham pilgrims. Okay, we would like to call, and one more thing we should not forget, Gupchup. Gupchup is like it's a pani puri. So they call it as a Gupchup. And let's welcome Priya ji, Happy and Lucky. The speciality is like she is coming with the paint. So वो खुद उन्होंने बनाया actually ये paint. वहाँ पे आप पूरी जगन्नाथ भी देख सकते हो. Let's welcome Priya ji, Happy and Lucky. Actually भाई इधर
देखा देखा चंद्रभागा सूर्योदय देखा 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 नीलंबुमो चिलिका को देखा
देख देख श्रीक्षेत्र देख श्रीमंदिर श्रीमंदिरे विजे मोर कालिया ठाकुर
कला आउ कारीगरी रहिछि तो एठी भरी कला आउ कारीगरी रहिछि तो एठी भरी
मुखीरती कोणारक चारु कला देख सुंदर मो ओडिशा तू देख सुंदर मो ओडिशा तू देख
Thank you, Priya ji. Next. Shonak, next. So यहाँ पे पूरा दुनिया इसको जानते हैं, इनको जानते हैं. Rabindranath Tagore, the Aura Bridge, and Durga Puja. So everyone aware, the place gave birth to great poet Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, and the sweets like Rasgulla, Sevoi delights. The iconic Aura Bridge is very famous. The Aura Bridge is a balanced cantilever bridge over the holy river, Hooghly River in West Bengal, India, which is commissioned at 1943. On 14th June 1965, it was renamed as a Rabindra Setu after Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. And then Durga Puja is the biggest festival which attracts worldwide people, definitely. And let's welcome Deepika ji, representing West Bengal. Let's give a clap to Deepika ji.
বড় লোকের বেটিলো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা ফুল বড় লোকের বেটিলো লম্বা লম্বা চুল এমন মাথায় বেঁধে দেব লাল গেন্দা ফুল
Thank you. So what is Assam famous for? Next. What is Assam famous for? Assam famous for? Yeah? Okay. So Assam is famous for tea and silk. Okay. So river Brahmaputra, everyone has studied actually right from the childhood. Brahmaputra river is the biggest river. And is the car. Car bolte hai. Car is the most famous Assami traditional dish loved by all locals and also people from other states. Car is a mixture of many ingredients consisting of meat, fish, vegetables like raw papaya, taro, and pulses. So this is one of the famous dish. The rich and vibrant culture of Assam is showcased by Smriti wearing the mekla chadar, the traditional dress of the Assami women. The ensemble is hand woven by women of at the looms. Each design showcasing their dreams in the waves. So let's welcome Smriti representing Assami.
মায়া মাথো মায়া তুমি জানো সঁচানে মৰমৰে মায়া মায়া ভৰা দুচকুলৈ হিয়া জুৰিয়া চাহিব দূৰণিৰে জোনাকী হৈ ৰোলাকিয় হে মায়া মায়া মাথো মায়া তুমি জানো সঁচানে মৰমৰে মায়া
Bihar. Bihar is the origin of two biggest religions in the world, namely Buddhism and Jainism. World oldest university you can find in Bihar. City of immense knowledge and hard work. Aryabhatta who gave zero number to the world, the 9 planets theory and trigonometric rules, all are from Bihar. It was very difficult. You can imagine Bihar has created the trigonometry, and then Bihar lands are among the most fertile lands of the world. So this is very interesting to see. I am proud to be Bihari. Being a Bihari means to overcome any challenges and rise above adversity. So this is the meaning. Its people are known for their hard work and determination. Last but not the least, Bihar is a factory. Most of the IAS and IIT folks. So Jai Bihar. We welcome Priya Yadav, Swati, and Arav representing state Bihar.
कौन दिशा में लेके चला रे बटोहिया कौन दिशा में कौन दिशा में लेके चला रे बटोहिया हाँ ठहर ठहर ये सुहानी सी डगर जरा देखन दे देखन दे मन भर माए नैना बांधे ये डगरिया मन भर माए नैना बांधे ये डगरिया कहीं गए जो ठहर दिन जाएगा गुजर गाड़ी हाँकन दे कौन दिशा में लेके चला रे बटोहिया कौन दिशा में पहली बार हमने
Hello. Nice job. It was very good. Swati ji, Priya ji, and Arav. It was very, very, very good. So राजस्थान का लोग है तो इधर ही बैठा है एक्चुअली. कौन कौन है राजस्थान वाले यहाँ पे? ओके, बहुत कहाँ पे? दो तीन ही दिख रहा है एक्चुअली. यस, आवाज आना चाहिए, आवाज आना चाहिए. So it is interesting to see, like just now I was discussing with Ivan Bhai and Mega. Mega is from Udaipur and our Ivan Bhai is from UP. So interesting fact of UP is it produced 8 prime minister out of 14 prime minister. Is it really? It's a great one. And I think you can see now again actually there is a collaboration here actually UP and Rajasthan. They are performing together. India's largest and beautiful states. The early history of Rajasthan includes some of the great Jai Maharana Pratap. Prominent among them were Prithviraj Chauhan, Uday Singh, Maharana Pratap, and it was definitely everyone know Maharana Pratap was 7 feet tall. 7 feet tall. It was very superb. Like there is a museum you can see, and actually Angarka was born out of the state's sweltering climate. Some of the traditional dresses from Rajasthan's are the colorful Gagra, Choli for the women, and Dhoti and Angarka for the men, accompanied by the comfortable jutis. So Angarka was born out of the state's sweltering climate, designed to offer a light, easy to wear outfit that shields from the sun. So completing the look, both men and women embroidery, velvet or brocade mozzarellas, locally known as jutis, adding an elegant touch to their footwear. So let's welcome Ivan Bhai, Mega and Nova, a modern twist on the traditional Rajasthan attire.
केसरिया बालमा आवो जी पधारो भारे
Wow, very good performance. The culture of Rajasthan is rich and varied, with the people of the state having a strong sense of history and tradition. So, okay, the land of kings is a vibrant and colorful state where tradition and culture go hand in hand. The culture is in traditions, customs, and beliefs, represent the costume of royal family of Rajasthan. 16 shingars a Rajasthani ladies wear for their beloved husband. Okay, 16 shingars. They wear colorful outfits and speak many languages, including Rajasthani, Hindi, and English. Still, so many people of Rajasthan wear turban, pay respect to their old dressing sense. So now, yesterday you see the performance, one more performance. Let's welcome Nivedita, Abhijit, and Sanu representing Rajasthan.
लुक छुप ना जाओ जी मन बीत कराओ जी अरे क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं चौधरी अरसले उन बंगा दी मैं कह लगे मर बिगड़ में जागी दो कणी रे चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में पा भी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम्बा झुम ओ मारे इवड़े में जागी धोकनी रे चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बाधी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम्बा झुम
Thank you so much. It was fantastic performance. How is the Josh? Josh is high or low? ये सांग के बाद तो हाई होना चाहिए. Two royal families. Again, we are representing actually the Rajasthan. Two royal families, the Mughal and Rajput, ruled the Rajasthan most of the times. They shared one common things. Both loved art and craft. Both loved art and craft. That was a common thing. They had most skilled artists at the time. Some of those artists were from abroad. You can find great artwork on textile and pots. There are so many old and new statues which define the artwork and culture of the pink city. So Jaipur, we call it as a pink city. And then Rajasthan foods are very famous. कौन सा है? दाल बाटी चूरमा, मिसी roti, and sweets like गेवर का fini, gajak, and chaugini ke laddu. You can find the street food in fairs and other local festivals. Let's welcome Priyanka, who is representing Rajasthan again. Priyanka and Ashi. आ जाओ. Oh, okay. Sandeep, Ashi. और नाम क्या?
मिस्री सुमीठी बाता थारी मन है प्रेम को झरनों सा कांच बिथा सो शर्मा जावे ऐसो रूप सजीलो सा
बनी थारो चांद सरी सो मुखड़ो कोई नजर नहीं लग जाए बनी थोड़ा हलवे हलवे चालो कोई मोच नहीं पड़ जाए बनी थारो चांद सरी सो मुखड़ो कोई नजर नहीं लग जाए बनी थोड़ा हलवे हलवे चालो कोई मोच नहीं पड़ जाए
केसर की थे क्यारी लागो रंग भरी थे थाली सा खूब जाव सोनिर खा था न चाल थारी मतवाली
ओ बनी थारा केस है कामण गारा बनी थारा केस है कामण गारा मारो तो मन उड़ जाए बनी थारी आँखियाँ है मतवाली ओ बनी थारी आँखियाँ है मतवाली मारो तो मन बहकाए बनी थारी जिद पायलड़ी बाजे मारो तो मन हरसाए बनी थारो रूप लगेला खीणो बनी थारो रूप लगेला खीणो तन देख बना मुस्काए बनी थारो चांद सरी सो मुखड़ो कोई नजर नहीं लग जाए बनी थोड़ा हलवे हलवे चालो.
Thank you. It was fantastic. Sandeep, Priyanka, Ashi, और सिया, it was very, very fantastic. सत श्री अकाल. इधर बाई को पाजी कहते हैं. हरियाली इसका पहचान है. राजमा चोले लस्सी इधर का शान है. ये है पंजाब. यहाँ का लोग का वीरता जीने का अंदाज ही अलग है. इसको भारत का गोल्डन लैंड ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर कहा जाता है. ये एक ऐसा राज्य है इसका अपना गौरवशाली इतिहास है. यहाँ का लोग कभी बलिदान देने से पीछे नहीं हटे. सो जलियनवाला बाग, everyone remember actually. So we must clap them, we must salute them. Punjabi culture is celebrated for its lively music, energetic Bhangra dance, featuring dishes like butter chicken and sarson da saag. Golden Temple in Amritsar, everyone would have definitely visited Golden Temple. It is really, architecture is marvelous. Punjab's colorful festivals including Vaisakhi, Lori, showcase its joyful and hospitality spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the land of Five River with beauty of nature and culture. Welcome Nirmal Tiwari representing Punjab. So one thing I must say actually about Nirmal madam. कोई भी event है actually she will be just walking around from there. And really, it's hats off to you, madam. Hats off to you. I have seen in almost all the event. That we are getting more energy from you. Thank you.
ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਂਦਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਾਲ ਵੇਂਦਾ ਈ ਚੀਰੇ ਵਾਲਿਆ ਵੇਖਦਾ ਈ ਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਗਵਾਚਾ ਨਿਗਾ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਈ ਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਗਵਾਚਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਂਦਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਾਲ ਵੇਂਦਾ ਈ ਚੀਰੇ ਵਾਲਿਆ ਵੇਖਦਾ ਈ ਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਗਵਾਚਾ ਨਿਗਾ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਈ ਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਗਵਾਚਾ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਭੈੜਿਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਮਾਰਨਾ ਏ ਤਾਨੇ ਵੇ ਮਿਲਣ ਮੈਂ ਆਈ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਰੋਟੀ ਦੇ ਬਹਾਨੇ ਵੇ ਰੋਟੀ ਦੇ ਬਹਾਨੇ ਵੇ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਭੈੜਿਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਮਾਰਨਾ ਏ ਤਾਨੇ ਵੇ ਮਿਲਣ ਮੈਂ ਆਈ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਰੋਟੀ ਦੇ ਬਹਾਨੇ ਵੇ ਰੋਟੀ ਦੇ ਬਹਾਨੇ ਵੇ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਤੇ ਮਿਲਣੀ ਤੇ ਰੁੱਸ ਜਾਂਗੀ ਸਦਾ ਲਈ ਮਿੰਨਤਾਂ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਕੇ ਮਨਾਈ ਵੇ ਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਗਵਾਚਾ ਨਿੱਕਾ ਮਾਰ ਨਿੱਕਾ ਨਿੱਕਾ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਈ ਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਗਵਾਚਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਂਦਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਾਲ ਵੇਂਦਾ ਈ ਚੀਰ ਵਾਲਿਆ ਵੇਖਦਾ ਈ ਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਗਵਾਚਾ ਨਿੱਕਾ ਮਾਰ ਨਿੱਕਾ ਨਿੱਕਾ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਈ ਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਗਵਾਚਾ ਕਾਲੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਟਾਲੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਹੇਠ ਦੀ ਓਏ ਹੋਏ ਹੋਏ ਕਾਲੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਟਾਲੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਹੇਠ ਦੀ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਸੀ ਧੁੰਦ ਮੈਂ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਸੁਣ ਜੇੜਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਸੁਣ ਜੇੜਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੱਕ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੱਕ ਚੋਂ ਪੁੜਕ ਕੇ ਡਿੱਗ ਪਿਆ ਹੁਣ ਡੂੰਘੀ ਛਾਈ ਵੇ ਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਗਵਾਚਾ
Wow. Wow, madam. Hats up to you, really. What an energy. इसी को बोलते हैं कि अर्बाना एनर्जी. This is called अर्बाना एनर्जी. दिल थाम के बैठो, ये है हिमाचल प्रदेश. हिमाचल प्रदेश इतिहास का पन्नों में लिखा हुआ है. ये एक कहानी ही नहीं बल्कि एक खूबसूरत सफर है. ये सफर है एक छोटे से गांव से स्मार्ट सिटी तक, और ये सफर है समर कैपिटल ऑफ ब्रिटिश इंडिया का. ये एक ऐसा खूबसूरत राज्य है, डाइवर्स जियोग्राफी वाला टेरिटरी है. कहाँ पे आपका स्नोफील्ड माउंटेन्स रहेगा, प्लेन एरिया रहेगा, जितना दूर देखो उतना दूर फ्लावर्स ही फ्लावर्स. एक्चुअली वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स. शिमला इज अ ब्यूटीफुल रोम स्ट्रक्चर्ड सिटी covered by snow during the winter. Shimla and one more interesting fact we must see. Shimla was earlier we used to call as a Shamla. It was the name on Shamla Devi god. So Britisher को मालूम है आपको, actually वो कुछ भी बना देते हैं. So Britisher को Shamla करके pronunciation नहीं आता था, तो they have done it as a Shimla. So it named as a Shimla actually. Shimla. And one of the attractive thing is toy train which is running between the mountain. We proudly present the adobe of God, the inspiring magnificent Himachal. So we would like to welcome Trevor Saab, who was in the Indian Army, and his mother used to be from Bangalore. And then Marina madam, you must have seen, she is a most energetic lady. And then actually Athena, please have Athena.
सुन दिया मेरी है दुबली तनी तू किया करी हुई सद लश्कारी जो धिये भलाए ता मोर मार गिराना हो धिये भलाए ता मोर मार गिराना हो मोर निवारणा मोरनी मारणा मोरनी गवणा हो ओ बाजी मोर
Thank you, Athena, Trevor Saab, and Marina Madam. It is Shonak next. Shonak. Hello. We must really acknowledge the effort of Subhashri and Shonak. You can see the small guy is about 13 years old. He has done a wonderful job. One more thing is Subhashri is supposed to perform because last time everybody was coming forward and saying ये song बदलो, ये video बदलो, ये edit करो, वो edit करो. तो उसके इसमें तो she has dropped the fashion show. She has dropped the cultural show. So we definitely thanks Subhashri and Shodak. And we would like to call everyone actually. So all state is over. So we would like to call all the performers here. And we would like to thank Radni Madam. Next, Shodak next. Shodak next. Thanks to next. Thanks to Radni Madam. We would like to call everyone. Actually, it was I think a fantastic show. I can see most of the people were sitting here. And one more announcement. There is a 2 counter actually food counter. Okay. Better actually one counter ladies can go, one counter gents can go. So it's better what I feel so that everyone can be served at the right time. So food is started. Thank you so much. So